Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. Good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We are 7 days away from our Baltic Real Estate Awards in Sopot, Poland, and it will be great to see you. If you haven't signed up yet, please do. I know the hotel is running out of rooms, so sign up quickly. And if you sign up through our website, you also get 15% discount. So we hope to see you. 7 days. We got quite a lot of nominations in. I think 24 awards now. Is that correct? 24 awards and very good group of sponsors and investors and service professionals. So it'll be an exciting event covering, of course, northern Poland, anything touching the Baltics, the Scandinavia, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, the Nordics. So very good group of people coming from CEE region and also coming from the Baltic area. Um, Having said that, we'll jump right over to Winston Norman, our editor in chief, for the highlights of the day for Thursday. Winston, good to see you.
Good to see you, Craig, and thanks for that nice introduction.
Mhm.
Okay, so starting with the Baltics today, and the Baltic
Oh,
Horizon
okay.
Fund is to sell Duetto 1 and 2 office buildings in Vilnius. Uh, there's a rejuvenated park atrium in Budapest, and it's welcomed some new tenants. And Colliers has strengthened its investment services department in Poland.
Okay, so very interesting thing. Good we had a little bit of Baltics there as well for this day as we're coming into 1 week before the Baltic Awards. So we hope everyone's having a good day and a lot's going on. If you have any news or any press releases you'd like to send to us that you would like to see on the Coffee with Craig show, please, and on, of course, Europa Property website, newsletter, and throughout our whole system, send them through to Winston or myself. We'll make sure they get on. And of course, if you'd like to be on the Coffee with Craig show and be one of our 1 week sponsors, we still have a couple of great weeks before summer hits. And of course, and then after summer, of course, there's a couple weeks left in October, and I think one in November, and maybe towards the end of September a week. So let us know if you'd like to sponsor 1 week of the Coffee with Craig show. We run your ads the whole week, and then we do one interview as well. Which it also plays the same time. We've got over 8,000 views on our daily news, 8,000 views a week on our daily news, and over now it seems to be over 40,000 views on on the interviews that we do. So really, pretty much hitting the whole market, I think, for those kind of numbers watching commercial real estate. So, having said that, we'll take a little break. You see a little bit about about our Baltic Real Estate Awards. We also have June 19th, our Serbia monthly CEO nominations launch event, which is in Belgrade, June 19th. So we hope to see you for that. You can get more information on that if you're going to be in Belgrade. Take a little break. We'll be right back with Winston Norman, our editor in chief, with the news. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the Europa Property Baltic Real Estate Awards, May 25th, held in the beautiful beachside city of Sopot, which is part of the Tri-City area on the Polish Baltic coast at the Radisson Blue Hotel. Countries covered in the awards include the Baltics, Lithuania, Latvia, Estonia, Scandinavia and the Nordics, Denmark, Finland, Sweden, Norway, as well as Germany, and of course Poland. Book your tickets, sponsorships, and place your nominations now on our website, and feel free to email me for more details. So, welcome back to our Warsaw studio, and I'm here with Winston Norman, our editor in chief. So, Winston, a lot of interesting headlines. So, let us know a bit of detail on the news.
Yeah, sure. So, Baltic Horizon Fund has signed an agreement with ECRE 4 to sell the Duetto 1 and 2 office buildings in Vilnius. The sales price is around 37 million euros, which is close to its latest valuation. So, good deal there, I think.
Yeah, sounds very good.
And according to Tarmo Karotam, he's the fund manager at Horizon. He says, we continue to implement the investment strategy of Baltic Horizon Fund, taking into account economic cycles, financial markets, and the opportunities provided by the development of capital cities, which shall reduce the financial obligations of the fund and redirect investment flows towards the upgrade to the unique properties in the fund's portfolio. Moving to Hungary and staying in the office building. sector, and advertising agency DDB has signed a lease contract with DEREIF Hungary to occupy around 900 square meters of office space on the fourth floor of the Park Atrium office building, which has been recently rejuvenated. They plan to move into the project in September 2023. And according to Hannah Vernsberger, CEO of DDB, uh, large open arrangements, functional collaboration areas, and a unique design will characterize the new office for DDB. And senior manager Dominic Everez concluded on behalf of the landlord of the property, which is REI Invest Asset Management. And he says the recent overhaul of our mechanical and electrical base systems, complete with the design upgrade of our common areas, as well as the introduction of new building services and the constant care of attentive property management, make Park Atrium more attractive as an office environment than ever before. And finally, for today, moving to Poland, and Colliers has strengthened its investment service department in the country, and they have hired Marek Pajuski, and he's going to take up the position of senior director in the investment services department. And he has many years of experience in the real estate industry. And according to Monica Reichka Wolnicka, she's the CEO of Colliers in CEE. The entire region of Central Eastern Europe, especially Poland, which has been a leader in terms of investment volumes for several years, is continually seen as an attractive location both by tenants who are eager to locate their businesses here and by investors who are actively looking for profitable assets in various segments.
Well, sounds very good. So Collier's expanding a little bit. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah, and
Good.
Poland again is highlighted as one of the good, or one of the more favourable locations in the region.
Right. I remember. I think it was yesterday. You mentioned it was 50% of the investment volume. Yeah, or
Yeah,
volume.
yeah, it
Yeah.
usually has the highest share, doesn't it?
Yeah. Yeah. So
Biggest country and everything.
as it should, as it has been in the past, and probably will continue. We'll see. So, very interesting news. Thank you, Winston, for that update for this Thursday morning. And thank you all for watching the Coffee with Craig show. And we will see you Friday morning with the news. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show. And don't forget to share it with your friends.